You know, I don't want to go on the internet. I tell you why. When you go on the internet, it's like playing in traffic. You got the cars coming from both directions, and you cross the street. You don't cross the street in the green. You cross the street in between. And what happens? You get hit by a bus, maybe a truck, or maybe somebody coming by on a bicycle delivering Chinese food. But you get hit. Somebody out there is going to take advantage of you. Why? Because you're on the internet. That's right, you're on the internet, and they're going to do this. Why are they going to do this? National security. National security, my tukis. But all I want to do is look up where I can get bagels. I want to get a good pastrami sandwich. This is what I want. I want to go over and get some kosher things. Who sells kosher in Williamsburg? I should know this. I should not have somebody stop my computer from running, stop me from looking at what I want to buy. Do you not agree? Why? I should have enemies? Why? Because I'm Jewish? Why? You think it's not easy being me. Every day I try to go to the internet. I try to find something for my Hasidic life, my Hasidic way. And then somebody going to treat me like criminal? I should be criminal? What I do? I want to know. Why? I get on the airport, sometimes they put me in the last seat on the plane. Why? They want to detain me or something? What did I do? I want to know why I am the last person. I should be the first person. I'm God's chosen people. Why they make me wait? I'm not supposed to wait. I'm supposed to go first. God says, let my people go. Let my people go first is what I say. And then you want to know why I should go first? You're asking yourself, why? Because I'm an Abraham. I'm from the line of Abraham. I'm from the first Jew, the one who come from God. I am the chosen one. That's why I should go first, because I'm an Abrahams. We just added the S because there's more than one of us. Yes, more than one of us. So I am the Abrahams, and that's why I should not be subjected to somebody mess with my computer. They want to hack my phone. They want to listen to my conversations. They want to bug my apartment. Why? What do I do? Why? Do I bother them that much? I don't keep the television on loud. I don't stay up late. I don't bother nobody. I don't have no wild parties, anything. I don't even have any friends outside of the shul, outside of the temple. I got a few friends that I visit in the neighborhood. That's it. What do I talk about? I talk about the weather, just like everybody else. It's going to snow. It's going to be 36 inches. It's going to be sunny, bright, 80 degrees. That's what I say. I don't have nothing to say. I don't care about politics, religion. Only my religion is important. I don't talk about the Christians. I don't talk about the Arabs, the Quran, and all these other things. All I do is I pray to God. I pray to God that all this stops. And I pray to God that these people who do these things should have to pay for these things that they're doing to me. It's not fair that I should have to deal with these things. These people who do these things are not very nice. How would you like if the shoe was on the other foot? Or how would you like if I hit you with the shoe? How would you feel? Like a heel, I bet. I'm so stressed, I can't even get my schmecker to get hard. That's right. And then I gotta worry about somebody listening and watching when I try to do the vowel thing. This is not right. My schmeckle hasn't been hard in about a year now since the surveillance started. It's not right. Now, I talk to God. I said, God, what am I gonna do? He says to me, you need to find yourself a good Jewish lawyer and find these people, and you sue these people because that's not right. Your schmeckle should work. Your schmeckle shouldn't be soft like putty. Your schmeckle should be hard like wood. Like wood, I tell you, like wood. Used to be like wood. You could knock on my schmeckle and it was like a pillar of strength, a pillar of stone. Now, my schmeckle is like silly putty. It doesn't want to do anything. It doesn't want to work. So what do I want? What am I saying? What am I really saying? What do I want? I want my schmeckle to work like it used to work. I want these people to stop bothering me. I don't know why. I don't know what I'm supposed to know. I don't know nothing. I don't have nothing to say. What they think I know, I don't know. I don't know what they want. These people should stop. They should go find something to do. Find a real job. Maybe go to work for Burger King, McDonald's, or maybe Wendy's. Go somewhere and learn the phrase. Would you like fries with that shake, Mr. Abrahams? That's what I say. So when will this all end? I gotta ask God. When I ask God the question, so God, when will this end? God says, when this all ends, my friend, your schmeckle will work again. So I say to you guys, it's time for you to stop the surveillance because God don't like ugly. God say any evil and harm that is sent to me, it returns to its source 3 times 3. So those of you who do these things, haven't hurting me and my schmeckle, you will have to live a life filled in darkness because God is going to find you. He's going to find you. Even if you hide under a rock, He's going to find you and He's going to send His light on you. So what are you going to do when God sends His angels out to find you? This is the question I ask of you